Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making sure your Apple ID and two-factor authentication are ready. This is how iCloud secures and links your data. Once done, update the device software so features match the cloud backend, and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid partial uploads. Sign in with your Apple ID in Settings or System Preferences. Make sure you complete any 2FA prompts on a trusted device. This initial step prevents sync conflicts and sets the proper permissions for backups and syncing. Next, enable the specific iCloud services you need so data flows where you expect it. In Settings or System Preferences, toggle iCloud Drive, Photos, Contacts, and Calendars. This tells devices which app data to push to the cloud. For Photos, select Optimize Storage to save space or download originals if you need full files locally. Then open Manage Storage to see what's using space. Upgrade the plan or enable family sharing if you need more room. These choices to complete confirm everything has synced by visiting iCloud. COM or checking another signed-in device. Make sure contacts, photos, and files match. Enable iCloud backup for iPhone or iPad and keep Macs backed up with Time Machine as a safety net. If something doesn't appear, sign out and back into iCloud, restart the device, and check Apple system status for outages. These troubleshooting steps resolve most sync glitches. Use them before deleting local copies so you don't lose anything.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.